Hello, Cricut and Silhouette crafters. It's Nancy from Better Life Blog. VIP Crafters Club is a monthly craft club. Every month I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete tutorial so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish. Something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new with your Cricut or your Silhouette. We've created things like this erasable calendar, this 3D layered shadow box, this beautiful home sign with an interchangeable wreath. We've made this 3D pop-up layered birthday card, and we've made all kinds of other projects.
And when you join our community right now, you're going to get to make this beautiful 3D illuminated light box in the month of July. It lights up, you can make it different colors, and it's just a really impressive piece.
We also do a live virtual crafting party where we get together, we work on the project, we play games, and there are prizes, and we also share pictures of our craft together afterwards in our private Facebook group. So if you're interested in joining VIP Crafters Club, now is the time because registration is open until the end of the month at midnight. So make sure that you get in the doors before they close. So go sign up right now, betterlifeblog.com/VIP, and I will see you on the inside.